What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget, back again with another video for you guys. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Switch controller. I play video games, like, the people that know me personally know that I love gaming. I have my entire arm covered in gaming tattoos, like in logos and icons and like weird stuff, but anyways, I'm a huge Zelda fan, and when I saw this for sale, I was like, oh, okay. My other controller somehow came up missing, so I had to find something for two-player, and I just got the new Zelda game. Well, it's not new now, but like, you know what I mean. But this is the PDP Rematch Glow wireless controller. We're just gonna be doing the unboxing so I can share the unboxing experience with you guys. I got it from GameStop. Like, I tried to show them some love. I paid my own monies for this, so it's just gonna be an honest review, or not review, but unboxing. But let's get into it. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna need a knife, I think. My nails aren't long enough to cut it. Oh no, my S15 is trying to escape. Let's get back over there. Put you against the wall. Okay, cut this open. And you put a lot of tape on this side. Okay, so let's see, PDP Rematch Glow wireless controller with a Zelda livery. Let's see what all comes in here. Okay, so it comes with the controller. Alright. Some instructions that no one's ever gonna read. See what else comes in here. Okay. Plastic, like some of this stuff. Yeah, okay. And a charging cable. I think it said 3.3 feet. I don't know why they put the 0.3 or whatever, but whatever. This is pretty premium cable. Like, I'm down with that. That's pretty dope. I always need a USB-C. Okay, this thing. Oh, nice. It feels premium. Like feels clicky. Really nice. I don't know if you guys can hear all that. Yeah, it feels premium. Oh, it's got plastic up here. Ooh. Yeah, alright. Nice and big programmable back buttons. Yeah, it seems pretty nice. Yeah, the livery's kind of nice. It says it's supposed to light up or whatever, and it's supposed to light up like in certain areas, like over here, and then like the writing, and it's supposed to mimic the text from the game, obviously. But yeah, if you guys want to see a full review, leave some comments down below. But as far as the unboxing experience, it seems really nice. The buttons feel like it feels really premium, and I love the gold on the cross pad. I have one of these types of controllers for my PC, and it served me very well. There's no lag or anything weird that's noticeable, but I'm not some hardcore gamer or anything by any means. I just like playing casually, so don't take my word for it, but I definitely enjoy the premium feel. It feels nice and hefty, really cool. But that's gonna be it for this one, you guys. It's gonna be a little short. Like, it's yeah, it's not my usual thing doing these kind of unboxings, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because I love gaming and I love Zelda. So yeah, I might do a review, tell you guys like how, if there's any issues with it. But like I said, with my PC version, it was just like, it's on point, no lag, very no button drift or anything weird like that, and I've had it for a while. So these are pretty, I'm down with PDP. Yeah, you know me. But yeah, sorry for that cringe. That's gonna be it for this one, you guys. If you guys don't know, we do collectibles like Hot Wheels, and we also do car meets and car videos and stuff like that. So if you get bored, check it out. We just dropped a car meet video. We only record the dope shit. Like, we don't record grocery getters or anything like that. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys get bored, check it out. Until next time, hope you find the treasure hunt. Stay safe. Later.